Welcome to how to find my location on Google Maps. So in this video we are going to show you how to find my location in Google Maps. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to find your own location on Google Maps, you will basically open up Maps. And now what you're gonna need to do here, you will need to tap on this arrow icon here, and now it says that I should basically turn on location services from my iPhone. So I will just go into the settings of my iPhone, and then I will tap on location, and here it should be location, and turn on the location, and then I will just go back into the maps, and now I will tap on allow while using app, and now it automatically detects my location. So if it's not, just go back, turn on the location and tap on this arrow here, and it will basically like gets your location. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next